Then what is this game of?
Yes, sir. So it's a game of temperament and mindset that you have in those 2 hours. I think that I was very nervous. I was also having some anxiety. I had lack of confidence. When I used to bubble the OMRs, I used to doubt myself. And then when I came home, I saw that okay, ये तो ठीक हो जाता answer. So I think that is where these mindset is required in the prelims, those 2 hours specifically.
Temperament and mindset.
Yes, sir. So in third attempt, what I did, I was more calm. I was like that. I was very confident, and that this confidence comes from limited sources revision, multiple revision of limited sources. So for that, see, some people are very note-making kind of person that they just prepare their own handmade note. But so some people are semi-note-making, like I was one of them, that I just took help from certain coachings. For that, what you can do first is your standard book. Any standard book, almost all the coachings have same. For instance, if I take my example, I referred, for instance, for ethics. If I had to make a main specific note for ethics, so for instance, I referred to M. Karthikeyan's Ethics and Integrity book, which was in subparts.
Do you think AI will impact the preparation of civil services?
Yes, sir, very much. In terms of efficiency, in terms of value addition, and also time saving and obviously cost saving.
What is the role of PYQs?
For PYQs, yes, sir.
PYQs in making notes.
For notes, so PYQ gives the theme. Because if there is, for instance, there is a topic in internal security about left-wing extremism. So if you cover all the PYQs of left-wing extremism, that you will cover all the what, why, when, how, everything. The government measures, the solution. Whenever a question comes about left-wing extremism, because you have, on the basis of PYQ themes, you have prepared all these subparts, you will be able to answer. Because UPSC also, because any kind of topic has a, maybe it will have 10 subparts or 12 if you are well prepared. That is on the basis of PYQ itself.
Fine.
Or specific content. I focused more on quoting as much as possible case laws, committees. I just used the Do Not Miss series in which PYQ themes, and then loading it with as much as possible reports, case laws that will show actually that you are writing from a knowledgeable angle, not only generalistic.
Governance resource.
Governance resource, I refer to certain coaching books. Last pages, some kind of quality could be compromised. But make sure that your first section does not gets compromised, because that will make the impression.
Fine. You said uniqueness is very important for paper 4. Who helped you to get these examples and value additions? How you got it?
Yes, sir. So first of all, I was lucky enough to get good resources. For instance, the basic notes or standard books of the do not have these books, or if you want to refer to other, I'll prefer that AI is the chat GPT. You can ask all the examples, quotes, phrases related to XYZ topic. It will give you. If anything else was left, it was being covered through test series.